In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tasks between Evernote and Todoist using Pleexy. This integration can streamline your workflow by allowing you to effortlessly transfer notes into actionable tasks. First, you'll want to set up a connection between these two apps via Pleexy. This will allow you to create automation rules that can automatically convert specific Evernote notes into tasks in Todoist. The aim is to make your task management more efficient and organized. To get started, you'll need to access your Pleexy account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up. It's a simple process and well worth it for the productivity boost. Once you're in your Pleexy dashboard, the next step involves selecting Evernote from the list of available apps. When prompted, you'll need to authorize Pleexy to access your Evernote data. This is a necessary step to ensure that the integration can work seamlessly, so rest assured your data is secure. Next, it's time to connect your Todoist account to Pleexy. Like with Evernote, you'll be asked to authorize access to your Todoist data. This dual connection lays the groundwork for moving data between the two platforms effortlessly. With your accounts linked, you're ready to dive into creating automation rules. The next step is all about customizing how the integration works for you. You'll need to define a trigger. This is the action in Evernote that will initiate a new task in Todoist. This could be something like creating a new note with a specific tag, such as Todoist, modifying an existing note with a keyword, or checking a particular checkbox within a note. You want to choose triggers that align well with the way you naturally use Evernote. Once your triggers are set, you'll specify the action, how the information from Evernote will translate into a task within Todoist. You can decide that the task title in Todoist will be the note title or a specific part of the note content from Evernote. Additionally, you can assign the new task to a relevant project in Todoist based on the tags or note hierarchy you use in Evernote. If due dates are involved, you can pull those directly from a designated section of the Evernote note. This specificity allows tasks to appear exactly as they should in Todoist, making it easier for you to stay on top of your to-dos. By the end of these steps, you'll have a customized and automatic system that turns your Evernote notes into Todoist tasks, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. This integration is not only a time saver, but also a productivity booster, ensuring that you can manage your tasks with more ease and efficiency than ever before. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this integration as helpful as I do.